Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your Cashapp name on the Cashapp application. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up the Cashapp application and you might be asked to log into your account. Just use your email address and your password to log into your account and you will end up on this homepage. Now, in order to find your Cashapp name, just go ahead and tap on your account icon at the top right corner. You will then be taken to your account page. Now, right from the account page, you will be able to find your name, and underneath your name will be your Cashapp name. You can tap on the share button and then save your Cashapp information as a photo, or you can also copy your cash tag link. And now you can use your Cashapp address. And now you can use this Cashapp address to receive your cash. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to identify your cash tag name on Cashapp. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.